Hello, it's Laurel, and welcome back. Hopefully, you have already checked out the follow along workout. And now we are going to take those moves that we learned and put them into a combo. If you did watch the workout and do it, you pretty much already know the combo. I really kind of put it together almost as if it was the combo. The only thing we're missing are the little details that make it more of a dance. So we're going to go through the tutorial really quick. Then what I want you to do is check out the actual combo video where we'll do it to the actual music over and over and over and over and over again, performing it, putting all of our energy into it. What I suggest you do is do the follow along workout. Do this tutorial with me and then do the combo video with me for a full class experience, right as if you were in Philadelphia with me at Urban Movement Arts right now taking a class. All right, so let's get right into it. I will turn on some music and we will work our way through. Let's get started. Okay. So first, your side tap, tap, side, tap, heel, slide it in, walk back, back, back. You can tap in front or lift the knee up. We're gonna add some things to this, okay? 1 and 2 and 3, 4. When you step back, you're going to shake your hip, back, shake your hip, back, lift. Shaking the hip, what I mean is 5, bring it forward and back, step, forward and back, step. Yes, but it's faster, right? So when you go back, you're going da-da, 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 up. Side view, really quick, when you go back, back, hit, hit, back, hit, back, hit, up. Faster though, right? So you're going rata. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, yes? So you're going ba, 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 up. Okay? Let's try that with the side taps. 1 and 2 and heel, slide, shake, 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 up. Good. To tempo. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2 and heel, close, shake, 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 up. 1 basic. Here we go. 1 and 2 and heel, shake, 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 up. 1 more time, 6, 7, and 1 and 2 and heel, shake, 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 up. Good. Outside basic with Romeo twist, but this time in the outside basic, we're going to turn. So you're going 1, 2, turn, 3, tap, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1. 5, 6, here we go, and 1, 2, turn, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, here we go. 5, 6, here we go, and 1, 2, turn, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Let's put them together. 5, 6, here we go. 1 and 2 and heel, shake, 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 lift, out and turn, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1 more time. 5, 6, here we go. 1 and 2 and heel, shake, 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 up, out and turn, out, in, up, cross. Good. Get all your weight forward on this front leg. Notice I'm just toe here, not heel. Yeah? Choo-choos with the left, add a diagonal. 1 and 2 and step, tap. Now I'm going to cross the leg in front. 5, keeping forward this time, not diagonal. 5 and 6, rotate my body, and for a grapevine. 7 and 8 and. Again, we just crossed over. And 1 and 2 and step, tap in front. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. That and tap at the end is gonna feel weird because you have to get right into the 1. And 1, 2, 3, and you're used to being 8, 1. Having a moment. This is tapping on an and, a half of a beat, so it's really fast and you gotta move. Tap, step, tap, step. Okay, basic. 1. From the top, slow. Side taps with heel. 1 and 2 and 3. Slide. Shake, shake, shake. Up. Turn. Step out. In, up. Choo-choo. Bop, 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 bop. Step. Tap in front, and side. Turn. And 1. 5, 6, basic, let's go. 1, 2, from the top. 5, 6, here we go. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3. Good. Okay, next part. And remember, rewind. If you need to do it a couple more times before we move on, you can rewind. Yes? Okay. So in place, after the grapevine, in place. 1, 2, 3, turn. 5, 6, 7, tap in front. Yes? So in place. 1, 2, 3, 4, turn. 5, 6, 7 in front. I cheat a little bit where as I'm turning 5, 6, I'll kind of step back on my 7 so it's easier to tap in front. Okay, so in place. 1, 2, 3, 4, turn. 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm gonna scoop forward and tap, right? 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Leaning back, hips. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you have an option here. You can keep these hips slow and equal, or give me slow and fast. 5, 6, 7, and 8, and. Depending on the music you're dancing to, depending on your mood, depending on the emotion you want to put across, that gives you some options. Yes? In place. 7, slow. 1, 2, 3, turn. 5, 6, tap in front. Scoop and tap, scoop and tap. Hip, hip, ra-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. Yes. That was 6, 7, 8. From the top, slow. Here we go. 1 and 2 and heel, slide. Shake, 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 up. 1, turn. 3, 4, out. 5, knee, up. 2, choose. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and in place. 1, 2, 3, 4, turn. 5, 6, 7, come forward. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Try it to music. 1 basic. 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's go. 1 and 2 and heel, slide. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 in place. Turn. Scoop it forward. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Hips 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. Nice. One more time. Go. Heel. Shake, shake, shake. Up, out, and turn. 5, 6 and 7 and choo-choo. 5 and grapevine. In place. Turn. Scoop it forward. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1. Good. Next part. You're here. You're gonna step forward, close, side, tap. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Basic. 5, crossing behind. 6, 7, 8. Now with that step forward, after the hip, you reach 1 with the hip, letting your head fall back to your shoulder, and then head roll, close, side, tap, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm rolling my head from my back shoulder to the front. We have 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, we'll go over that again, but let's finish it because it's basics now. Yes? We're gonna turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. Base timing with shoulder roll. 5, 6, and 7, 8. Side, half a box, side, close, forward, tap, walk, back, back, and run, 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 tap. All right? From the hip, right? You just went 5, 6, 7, 8. You step forward with the hip, let the head fall to the back. Roll the head and close. Side, tap. Side, behind, side, tap, turn, 5, 2, 3, 4, roll, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Half a box, 1, 2, forward, 3, 4, back, 5, 6, run, 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 tap. One time from the beginning, slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, side taps. 1 and 2 and heel, slide. Shake, 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 up. 1, 2, turn, 3, tap, 4, out, 5, 6, and up, cross. 1 and 2 and step, tap, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2 in place, 3, turn, 5, 6, 7, come forward, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, hip, 5, 6, 7, 8, step forward, 1, 2, 3, 4, behind, 5, 6, 7, turn, 1, 2, 3, 4, roll, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Half a box, come forward, walk back, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and. Nice. All right, let's go through it top to bottom to the music as many times as we can get it in. Do your best. Do it slow as many times as you need until you're like, okay, I think I got it. And then, you know, that's what's great about a recording. You can keep rewinding. And then we'll just do it. All right, let's go. We'll always put one basic in. Ready? Here we go. And a 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Here we go. 1 and 2 and heel. Shake, 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 up. 1, 2, turn. 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 in front. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1. Turn. Come forward. 1 and 2, 3 and hip. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, head. Behind. Turn. Roll. Half a box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 and 1. Good. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3. Turn. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn 1, 2, 3, slow. Half a box, walk it back. Basic. 1, 5, 6. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1. Turn. Come forward. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 4. Turn. Slow. Woo. Half a box. 5, 6, 1. Nice. Okay. Do that as many times as you need till you feel really comfortable and really good about it. Then join me in the next video for the combo and dance it with me, perform it with me, put on a sexy outfit, give yourself some mood lighting, whatever you want, make it fun. Let's perform this dance. And I'll see you next week in the next videos. Have an awesome day.